Narrator. Hello, fantastic English learners, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your narrator, and I'm absolutely delighted you're joining us today. Have you ever thought about the different seasons of the year? We have spring, summer, autumn, or fall, and winter. Each season brings something special. Different weather, different activities, and different feelings. Do you have a favorite season? Talking about the seasons is a very common and enjoyable topic in conversations. It helps us describe the world around us, share our preferences, and even talk about our favorite activities. Knowing how to describe your favorite season in English will greatly improve your ability to talk about everyday life and express your personal experiences. That's why today we're focusing on describing your favorite season in English. We'll explore simple words and phrases to talk about the weather, the activities you enjoy, and the feelings each season brings. Learning these phrases will give you a great boost in your ability to share your personal world in English. In this episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Noah and Sarah. They will talk about their favorite seasons, what they like to do during those times, and how the weather changes. They'll use simple English, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about seasons yourself. After their conversation, we'll have a short, active practice session to help you use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the useful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and practice listening just by tuning in. Let's dive into the conversation. Noah: Hi Sarah. How are you today? The weather has been so nice lately, it made me think about the different seasons. Do you have a favorite season, Sarah? What is it and why do you like it? Sarah: Hi Noah. I'm doing great, thanks. Oh, that's an easy question for me. My favorite season is definitely spring. I just love everything about it. After the cold winter, spring feels so fresh and new. The weather starts to get warmer, but it's not too hot. The trees begin to have green leaves again, and beautiful flowers start to bloom everywhere. I love seeing all the bright colors. It makes me feel very happy and energetic. What about you, Noah? What's your favorite season and why? Noah: Spring is a wonderful choice, Sarah. I can totally understand why you love the fresh feeling and all the blooming flowers. It's truly a beautiful time of year. My favorite season is summer. I absolutely love the long sunny days and the warm weather. I enjoy being outside, and summer gives me many chances to do that. I love going to the beach, swimming in the ocean, and spending evenings outdoors with friends. The feeling of the sun on my skin makes me feel happy and relaxed. What do you enjoy doing most in spring, Sarah? What are your favorite activities? Sarah: Summer is fantastic too, Noah. I love how long the days are. For me, in spring, my favorite activity is gardening. I love planting new flowers and vegetables in my small garden. I enjoy watching them grow day by day. It's very relaxing and satisfying. I also love taking long walks in the park when the weather is mild and the air is fresh. Sometimes I have picnics with my family in the park too. The smell of fresh grass and flowers is lovely. What do you like to do most in summer besides going to the beach? Do you have any special summer traditions? Noah: Gardening and walks in the park sound like perfect spring activities, Sarah. So nice to see things grow. Besides the beach, in summer I love to barbecue with my friends and family. We often cook food like burgers and hot dogs outside in my backyard. The smell of the barbecue is one of my favorite things about summer. I also enjoy playing outdoor sports like basketball or volleyball with friends in the evenings when it's still light. For special traditions, every summer my family and I go on a camping trip for a few days. We stay in a tent near a lake and we go fishing and tell stories around a campfire at night. It's always a lot of fun. Does the weather in spring ever make you feel a certain way, Sarah? Sarah: Barbecues, outdoor sports, and a camping trip. Those all sound like amazing summer traditions, Noah. Fishing by a lake sounds so peaceful. Yes, the spring weather definitely makes me feel a certain way. As I said before, it makes me feel happy and energetic. After the cold, gray days of winter, the sun and the warmer air make me feel hopeful and refreshed. It's like the world is waking up, and I feel like I'm waking up too. I feel more active and want to do more things. Do you notice any specific changes in nature or the environment around you when spring arrives? Noah: That's a great description, Sarah. Feeling hopeful and refreshed is exactly how many people feel in spring. It really is a time of renewal. For me, when summer arrives, I notice a few big changes in nature. The sun feels stronger and the light lasts much longer into the evening. The trees are fully green and lush. You hear many insects buzzing around like bees and cicadas. Also, I see a lot more birds flying around and singing. The world feels very alive and bright. The air smells different too, often like warm earth and growing plants. What are some typical foods or drinks you enjoy more in spring, Sarah? Sarah, that's so true, Noah. The stronger sun, green trees, and buzzing insects are definite signs of summer. The birds singing loudly are also a lovely part of it. In spring, I enjoy certain foods and drinks more. I love to eat fresh salads with new spring vegetables like crisp lettuce, radishes, and asparagus. They taste so light and healthy. I also like fruit tarts made with fresh berries that are just coming into season like strawberries. For drinks, I enjoy iced tea because the weather is getting warmer and sometimes a fresh lemonade. What about you, Noah? Are there any special foods or drinks you associate with summer? Noah, fresh salads, fruit tarts, iced tea, and lemonade. Those all sound perfectly refreshing and delicious for spring, Sarah. They really capture the feeling of new growth. For me, in summer, I definitely enjoy cold drinks like homemade lemonade and very cold fruit juices. Of course, at barbecues, we often have grilled meats like chicken and steak and lots of fresh corn on the cob. I also love ice cream in the summer. It's the best way to cool down on a hot day. And for fruits, nothing beats a juicy watermelon in summer. It's so sweet and refreshing. Do you have a favorite outdoor place you like to visit specifically in spring, Sarah? Sarah, grilled meats, corn on the cob, ice cream, and watermelon. Those are absolutely classic summer foods, Noah. Watermelon is definitely a must-have. Yes, I do have a favorite outdoor place I like to visit in spring. It's a beautiful botanical garden about a 30-minute drive from my house, near the old railway station at Sarai Sultan, Uttar Pradesh. In spring, this garden is full of thousands of different flowers, all blooming at the same time. The colors are incredible: reds, yellows, blues, and purples everywhere. There are also many different types of trees and small ponds with ducks. It's very peaceful and the air smells wonderful with all the flowers. I go there at least once a month in spring. What about you, Noah? Is there a specific summer destination or place you always look forward to visiting? Noah, a botanical garden full of blooming flowers in Sarai Sultan sounds absolutely stunning, Sarah. That's a perfect spring destination. I can imagine the beautiful colors and the peaceful feeling. For me, my favorite summer destination is a large public lake called Clearwater Lake, which is about an hour's drive from my city, close to the town of Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. It has a nice sandy beach and the water is clean for swimming. There are also areas for barbecuing and shaded spots under big trees. My family and I go there several times throughout the summer. We rent a small boat sometimes or just swim and relax on the sand. It's always a wonderful day out. Do you think spring is a good season for photography, Sarah? Sarah, Clearwater Lake near Mirzapur sounds like a fantastic summer spot, Noah. A clean beach and areas for relaxing and barbecuing make it sound perfect. I can imagine why you look forward to visiting there. And yes, I absolutely think spring is a great season for photography. With all the new flowers blooming, the fresh green leaves on the trees, and the bright, mild light from the sun, everything looks very beautiful and colorful. You can capture amazing close-ups of flowers and also wide views of landscapes. The animals are also more active, so you can see birds building nests or baby animals. It's a very vibrant and photogenic time of year. Do you think summer is a good season for photography, perhaps for different reasons? Noah, that's a great point about spring being vibrant and photogenic, Sarah. All the new life and color are perfect for photos. Yes, I think summer is also a very good season for photography, but for different reasons. In summer, the light is very strong and bright, which is great for outdoor photos. You can capture clear blue skies and vibrant landscapes. It's perfect for taking pictures of people enjoying outdoor activities like swimming, hiking, or sports. The sunsets in summer can also be incredibly beautiful, with rich orange and pink colors. And if you're near the ocean or a lake, the water can look very inviting and clear in photos. It's a season for bright, energetic, and active pictures. What's one thing you might miss about spring when summer arrives, Sarah? Sarah, Strong, bright light, clear blue skies, active people, and beautiful sunsets. You're right, Noah. Summer definitely offers fantastic opportunities for different kinds of photography. Sounds very energetic. For me, one thing I might miss about spring when summer arrives is the mild weather. In spring, it's usually warm but not too hot, and there's often a gentle breeze. In summer, it can get very hot, especially in the afternoons, which sometimes makes it less comfortable to be outside for long periods. I also miss the first burst of new flowers that you only see at the beginning of spring. What's one thing you might miss about summer when autumn or fall arrives, Noah? Noah, that's a good point about the mild weather in spring, Sarah. The extreme heat of summer can be a big change. And missing the very first flowers makes sense. For me, when autumn arrives after summer, I will definitely miss the long hours of daylight. In summer, the sun stays out very late, and I love being able to do things outdoors in the evening. I also miss the spontaneous feeling of summer, where it feels easy to just go to the beach or have a barbecue without much planning. Autumn brings cooler weather and shorter days, so those long, bright evenings are something I always miss. Do you ever feel sad when spring ends, Sarah? Sarah, missing the long hours of daylight and the spontaneous feeling of summer are very understandable, Noah. Those are definitely big changes when autumn comes. I do feel a little bit sad when spring ends, yes. It's because spring brings so much new life and beauty, and it feels like a fresh start. When it ends, it means the hot summer is coming and then the colder seasons. So, I feel a little sad to say goodbye to the beautiful flowers and the perfect mild weather. But then I remember the good things about summer, like the long holidays, and I feel better. Do you ever feel sad when summer ends, Noah? Noah, I completely understand that feeling, Sarah. It's like saying goodbye to something lovely and new. And it's good that you can focus on the positive things about the next season. Yes, I do feel a bit sad when summer ends. It's because summer feels like a time of freedom and fun. I have more holidays, I can spend so much time outside, and the general mood feels very relaxed and happy. When summer ends, it means going back to work or school routines, and the weather gets colder and darker. So, I feel a little sad to see those long, bright, carefree days go away. But then I remember autumn brings beautiful colors and cozy feelings, and that helps. Sarah, it's totally understandable to feel sad when the freedom and fun of summer end, Noah. Going back to routines can be a big change. But you're right, autumn has its own beauty. Do you think people's favorite seasons often reflect their personalities? Like if someone likes summer, they are more active? Noah, that's a very interesting question, Sarah. I think there might be some truth to that, yes. If someone likes summer, they might be more outgoing, active, and enjoy being social because summer encourages outdoor activities and gatherings. Someone who loves winter might enjoy cozy, quiet activities, perhaps reading or spending time indoors with family. And maybe someone who loves spring like you, Sarah, might be more optimistic and enjoy new beginnings and seeing growth. Of course, it's not always true for everyone, but it's a fun idea to think about. What do you think, Sarah? Does your love for spring match your personality? Sarah, I think that's a very insightful idea, Noah. It makes a lot of sense. And yes, I think my love for spring definitely matches my personality. I do tend to be optimistic, and I love the feeling of new beginnings and growth. I also enjoy nurturing things like my garden, which really thrives in spring. I like feeling refreshed and energetic, which is how spring makes me feel. So yes, for me it matches well. This has been a great chat about seasons. I've really enjoyed hearing about your love for summer and your summer activities. Noah, yes, it has been, Sarah. I've really enjoyed hearing about your passion for spring, your gardening, and how it makes you feel. It's always interesting to learn about what people enjoy and why. Sarah, it definitely is, Noah. It helps us understand each other better. Well, it was really nice talking to you about seasons. I should probably get going now. I have a fitness class soon. Noah, of course, Sarah. I understand completely. I hope your fitness class goes well. It was really nice catching up with you and learning so much about your favorite season. Have a great rest of your day. Sarah, you too, Noah. Enjoy whatever warm weather is left. See you around soon. Noah, see you, Sarah. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, fantastic learners, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about seasons. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. What's your favorite season and why? Good. Now, what kind of weather do you enjoy in that season? Excellent. One more. What is one activity you like to do in your favorite season? Narrator, fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these two important phrases after me. My favorite season is summer. I like to go to the beach. Narrator, you're doing great. Keep practicing talking about your favorite season in English. Conclusion. Narrator, wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very engaging and common topic, describing your favorite season in English. You can now confidently talk about the different seasons, the weather they bring, the activities you enjoy, and even how they make you feel. This is a fantastic step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you experience a change in the weather or think about your favorite time of year, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.